Good day, everybody. My name is Laura Francis. Man, introduce yourself.
I'm Marlon Williams.
Juliet Ramo, Region 3 Extension.
Okay, so we are here today at Region 3. That is part of the awareness campaign for the Seychelles Scales Island-wide survey. So we currently on the first farm in Region 3, and the farmer's name is?
Charlie Constantine.
Okay, on Mr. Constantine's farm. So we're starting close to the shed area, and we are going directly in to the tree crops to see if we can get the scale. So currently there's one that is dead, and it has some black mycelium on it, or black fungus on it, and there is the one. The other one is at least the second insta. So I'm going to scoop it into the vial as a sample, and then I can process it in the lab. So that's our first sample on the banana plant. Now there's another one, it's a nice juicy one there.
I did also.
Okay, this is dead. So we don't really need to take that one. So I destroyed it. That's one of the management, culture control. If you see one, you can destroy it. Then we'll proceed to the other tree crops and see if we can get some more samples. So that's the first sample. So basically what we are doing today, we are scouting the different trees to see exactly if we can get the scale. So we have to check underneath the leaves of them. They're normally in the mid-rib, as I showed to you, Joel.
Yeah, there.
So this there. So we're looking for exactly this symptom there. So we're checking underneath the leaves to see if they're close to the mid-rib area. We're checking to see if there are natural enemies like the ladybird beetle. Because you know, once these insects come into St. Lucia, they come with their natural enemies. So we are scouting. This is a grapefruit tree. We're scouting it so we could see there's no sign of the scales underneath the leaves. There are none there. There are not even the cinnamon you see. We're checking there. We saw some leaf miners right there, but that's not what we're looking for today. We're not looking for leaf miner, but we're looking for the Seychelles Scales. But
when you're doing it, you'll have to do everything.
yes, because
You have to look for minor enemies, everything.
yeah, we're looking for the enemies, the ladybird beetle. We're looking for the scale on this.
So with what enemies come in?
Okay, the enemy is the ladybird beetle or the lacewing bug. Now we don't see any yet, but if we see one, I will show it to you.
Okay.
Yes. So this tree is clear. We cannot see any.
The miner doing enemies too, eh?
Yes, the leaf miner is an enemy.
Yeah.
It attacks the grapefruit. It can cause effects to the grapefruit.
Okay.
But that's not what we're focusing on today, Joe.
Miss Blower.
Yeah.
What do you use? Match, yes, match. Yes, match, put match. Match in the middle. So put that in the comment, eh? So you match, so you might get.
Yes, Adela Ange,
Oh, Miss Ange. Okay, I'll call
Yes.
you Mistress or Mistress?
mistress.
Okay, good day, Mistress Ange.
Good day, Miss Laura.
My name is Laura Francis, and I'm from Research Department, Ministry of Agriculture.
Yes.
So I'm here with a team, my colleague, Mr. Marlon Williams, and we're here to do an island. That is part of the island-wide survey or campaign for the scale inset. Alan? So this inset.
What's its name? I
Okay.
don't have my glasses. I
Oh,
was
okay, but you can hold that flyer. That's for you.
Okay then.
It's a you could say local name breadfruit mealybug or the Seychelles Scale.
Okay then.
So what it does, it affects over 60 species of plants. Now it prefers the hardwood like the mango, the avocado, the golden apple. Now it attacks bananas too and plantain, pawpaw, avocado, name it. So we're here to see if you have it here. So we'll do a little scout on
How is my
different
son?
trees. Oh, that's your son.
Yeah.
So we'll check your citrus trees, your soursop, your avocado to see if it's there. And even some of the vegetables like your spinach, we can check it also to see the spinach and if you have any other vegetables, we'll check it. So that is part of our campaign. So we know if that pest is not under control, it can cause a lot of damage to our agricultural sector. So we're here to just monitor it. Now the time we're in there, this is like close to the rainy season area. You'll not get a high population, but we know around March, June, August, September, the population will be high. But we're still monitoring for now and next year we've got spare. When the peaks, we can come again just to see if the population has increased or decreased.
So if it's increased, so what we can
Management strategies. Okay, what you can do, normally the spray oil can control it. The banana spray oil, the mineral oil, you can spray it like late evening. Or you can use the neem oil. That can be used as a management, a control measure. Laura Francis, I am an agricultural officer from Research Department.
Okay.
I work with the Crop Protection Unit. Today we are here on your farm to look for this scale insect. Isaiah Seychelles, that's a scientific name, but
Yes.
local can be breadfruit mealybug or the Seychelles scale.
Okay.
Now these insects, what they like a lot of hardwood, so they attack over 60 species of plants,
Wow.
especially the tree crops like the sour orange,
Yeah.
the sour sop, avocado, mango, pawpaw, pear. They attack it, and also your vegetables. They can also attack the dashing. If they are close to this plant is infected, they can go to your dashing and affect your dashing.
Okay.
Now, if we don't control the population, the plants can eventually die. So we need to manage it. Now that is why we're doing, as part of our island-wide survey, or campaign, we're doing a survey in every region to see how the hotspots or where the population is low or high, or where the level of infestation is, how it is. So this is what we are here to do today. So with your permission, we will double check some of
for
your
sure.
trees around.
One question: what would influence them to maybe to grow or to even to
Okay,
spread?
what influenced them to spread? The wind is a way of spreading them. Also human beings. So if you go from an affected area, for example, this area, for example, if your area, this area has, and you take planting materials like a dashing or a pawpaw, and it has it, you could spread it to another area, another region that does not have it. And also the temperature increases the population.
Meaning when it's up or down
When it's high temperature, it's hot.
between the dry season.
The dry seasons, you get that's 4 peaks in March, in June, August, and September. So high temperature, you get an increase in the population. When in the rainy season like now, you'll not get so much.
Okay. So another question: would that be what would encourage maybe the taro blight or something? Would that be the same thing?
No, the taro blight is a different thing. The taro blight is a fungal disease that affects the taro, or you could say the dashing. But that is a scale insect. It's a sucking insect. So you normally find it underneath the leaves. For example, if the infestation was there on that soursop leaf, you'd find them in the middle or around the middle rib.
But I would normally see that, but looking whitish,
Is it-
but
okay.
not pink, not
Now the-
yellowish, more whitish.
Okay, great. So the distinctive characteristic is the yellowish,
Okay.
the filaments, and then they have a pair of antennas that are black, and the legs are black. And they work along with the ants. They have that relationship, symbiosis relationship. So they work together. Now the ladybird beetles, they are biological agents. They can help reduce the population. That's why we advise farmers, if you see a few on your leaves, you can take liquid soap, spray the tree. If the populations are high, you can use the neem oil to spray in a mist blower to reduce the population if it's high. Now for economic threshold is 27 of that scale per leaf.
Okay.
So if you examine your plant and you see you count 27, you know you need immediate action.
Understood.
If you leave it there, it can kill the plant. So that's why then we say pesticide is the last resort in integrated pest management. So if you can crush them with your hands, if you see a few, great. Yes. And the crawlers, are the most susceptible. If you can get that stage and spray, it is very good because the wind will blow them. And they move, they're very active. So they move and they feed and establish themselves.
Understood. Well, thank you for being here.
Okay, you're
And
welcome.
the information so far.
Yes. Okay,
That's
so
it right there?
this is it right here.
Oh, yeah,
On
but
your-
I've never seen that before.
Yes, so it is right here.
Okay. That's the yellowish one.
Yes,
So-
that's the same thing.
Okay.
That's
in
one of the adults.
Okay.
This underneath it.
Yeah, and that's the nymphal stages, some of the nymphal stages.
So would that be the same thing at a different stage right there? The whitish thing.
That's adult.
This is
Is
the
it
adult.
adult?
Yeah.
Oh, I could see the thing like that.
Filament.
Yeah. So how come this one is a bit yellowish?
Okay.
That's a different stage.
They have the young adults,
Okay.
and they have the young female, and then they have the adult female. So that would be the adult female. So it changes from that color, sometimes it reaches that color. So you
Okay.
could see the cycle there.
All right.
This is it right there. So this is there. You might not see the bright yellow with the naked eye, but under a microscope, this is
Okay.
microscopic.
All right. Okay.
Right. So that's what it look like.
All right. Now I'm thinking, since you say that it during the high temperature you would get them, and in the rainy season.
Yeah.
With
So-
the low.
The population
That-
is low here.
Okay.
In the dry season, a high population. Because in different regions we have been through. For example, in the dry season where it was located in region 7, which is Roseau area, the entire tree, like a tree like that, was filled with it. Yes. So that